Welcome to this lecture. In this lecture we are going to learn about group by statement and having clause. So what is the group by statement? The group by statement used to group rows that have the same values and return summary of rows. For example, count the number of employees from each city. Syntax is here. Create table, employee. Look at the structure of the table, ID, name, city. Data is Multan, Multan, Lahore, Lahore. These are the cities. Islamabad. There are 2 employees from Multan, also 2 employees from Lahore and 1 employee from Islamabad. Column name. Make sure database is selected, which is test SQL. Otherwise, you must mention database in the query. So count city, column name, city, table name is employee, group by, column name employee. Execute the statement. Sorry for that. Group by city, Islamabad 1, Lahore, from Lahore there are 2 employees, from Multan also 2 according to our data. Even now execute the same query. From Islamabad 1, from Karachi 1, from Lahore 1, from Multan 2. You can execute the same query, but make sure table name must be employee, the following data in the table. Select the database, execute the query, press F5 and same result. Having used with aggregate functions. It is the replacement of where clause, but having used with aggregate function. We cannot use where clause with aggregate function, so we can use having clause with aggregate functions, like having count is an aggregate function, ID greater than 0. Also result is same, but Execute the query. Now there is no record where count id greater than 5. Let's suppose 3. Execute the query for 1. Lahore and Multan selected. Execute the same query here. Only Multan selected. For the group that contains having count id greater than 1. So thank you for watching this video.